So, making my way down to the chickens. As you can see, this was the very first. Oh, it's deep snow. Gotta watch my footing. Some of it gets really deep, huh? Anyway, this time the chickens kind of got lucky because of how wet it was. The top of their chicken run, all of the snow just kind of stuck together, formed onto the welder's wire, the 2x4 wire holes, and then created a roof. So that's never happened before. They don't have a real deep snow inside, but they have a snow roof.
Yeah.
Hi, Millie. And then Z.
I have to hold on to
One of Z's favorite things is to scare them for fun.
I know.
And he can't get them. Millie, let him go. He can't get them. But it is fun to send them squawking and running. How many do we have right now? I think we have 11 chickens.
I think it's like 11 or 10.
Yeah, and so
But dogs kill pups.
this the bad thing about this is they are not going to get the sunshine directly on them, because that is at least 10 inches, if not more, of a roof. Poor girls. We have no boys, but poor girls, huh?
There.
Z.
Z!
There he goes, just for fun. But it can damage the hens. They run from him, and they try to get away so fast that they end up running into the fence of the chicken run. So sometimes you'll read that dogs don't necessarily want to kill and eat a bird, although I beg to differ, because Chewy and Maple have definitely killed and eaten birds. But that they want to chase them and play with them, because that part is so fun.
Yep, they
And-
kill popcorn.